the bell tower's iron cry, where lantern light goes thin and dies, the narrow stones remember feet that pass unheard through sleeping streets, and every shadow holds a name. Every window hides a flame, while black-cloaked figures cross the night, where law and silence intertwine. No witness waits beside the quay, no God can watch what cannot be seen. The canals swallow oath and breath, the city drinks the taste of death, and somewhere past the chapel wall, a single body starts to fall, while bells above continue still, as though the night had made no kill. Knives beneath the bell tower, steel beneath the rain, one step through the darkness and gone without a name. Knives beneath the bell tower, silent as the tide, Veterma keeps its secrets and buries those who died. Feather drifts downstream, past bridges old as whispered dreams, past marble saints with blinded eyes, who watch the roofs but not the knives, and those who rule behind the silk, still awake to poisoned cups of milk. For every throne in Veterma stands balanced on a hidden scar. No song is sung for what was done, no prayer is spoken after blood. The brotherhood moves shadow close, where only moonlit water knows, and every hand that takes the blade accepts the price already paid, to walk unseen, to strike and fade, and never speak of those betrayed. Knives beneath the bell tower, steel beneath the rain, one step through the darkness and gone without a name. Knives beneath the bell tower, silent as the tide, Veterma keeps its secrets and buries those who died. No banner, no throne, no grave, no home, just steel and night and rain. Beneath the bell tower, cold beneath the skin, one breath in the darkness and death already in. Knives beneath the bell tower, silent as the tide, Veterma keeps its secrets and shadows where we hide. The bell still